Hi everyone. Well, my paper pumpkin arrived. This is the May 2024 The Best There Is paper pumpkin kit. Let's see what we have. Okay, our spot this month is Misty Moonlight. I don't know that we've had that one, or if we have, I have forgotten. But I love Misty Moonlight, so that's a great one. And our stamp set. Okay. Let me see if I can, I know there's a picture of that in here, so let's look at that instead of me trying to show you. Okay. Here it is. I knew I would love it because they told us it was going to go coordinate with the Country Woods Designer Series paper, which is my favorite from the new catalog. And so I knew that I would love this kit, and I can tell already that I do, just by the envelopes. Okay. So we have our dimensionals and our glue dots, of course. Here are the envelopes, wood grain, they're all the same. I think this kit makes 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nice envelopes. Ooh, look at this, it's really pretty. So you've got a wood grain with like carved trees and mountains. It's really nice. There are 3 of those, so that must be 1 card. Here are some labels with some nice stitching detail, and you've got 2 sheets of those. Here's another card base with this nice little detail. It looks like carved wood. It's really nice. It's got like a slight drop shadow, so it does look kind of carved. It looks like actual pieces, but it's not. It's flat. Oh, I love this one. This is cute. Okay, so that's another background piece. Here are some trees and some weathered wood background. I love all of these pieces so far. Here we've got some accent pieces, 3 of these. And then I'll show you what the finished project looks like. I'm sure there'll be a photo here. So our colors are Pool Party, Misty Moonlight, and this looks like Wild Wheat, which I love. Okay, here's the finished projects. Look how pretty these are. Okay, so these really leafy pieces go behind some of these labels. Really nice. Okay, here's our instruction. And then this is going to be, now they started doing this where they would make these little printouts of the stamp sets so that you can, when you store them, maybe in a little file, you can stick your stamp set in there and you can kind of see better what's going on here. So here we have Happy Father's Day, with love and admiration to the most amazing person, and you're the best. So it's not, you don't have to use it for Father's Day. You can use it to anybody. You're the best, the amazing person. But I like that there's a Father's Day in there, and I like that they've added, so you've got these trees. It's 1 stamp. Yep. But then you've got an additional little dots here, and that's kind of fun because you can add color. So maybe you could stamp these in that wild wheat color, some kind of a yellow, and then add accents of fall if you wanted to, or you can, you know, maybe you're gonna make these spring and you could put little accents of pink for little cherry blossoms or whatever. But you can add this extra on top and kind of sprinkle in a couple different colors there. So I really like that. Okay, so this is the Best There Is paper pumpkin kit. Now remember, each quarter there's a new add-on that you can get if you want, and this is the add-on for that goes with this quarter. So the butterflies went with the last month's kit, right? Remember the last month's kit had those really beautiful foil butterflies, and then this month we've got this nice hexagon that kind of goes with the look of this kit. It comes like this. And then thanks is great to have all the time, all year round. And the last quarter's dies are still available, and those had the word love. So I think they're going to kind of come out with each quarter a new little mini die that's great to add to your collection. This is a really nice label. I like this butterfly. It's in 2 parts, so you can use the butterfly, it shows you here, as a solid butterfly, or you can add this insert, which is like lacy detail, and it's really glued on there. Let's see. Okay, lacy detail. And then the nice thing is that it doesn't cut all the way through. It leaves the center intact. So you can, you know, run it through like this, and then the outline here pops up. So it actually, you can pop the lacy wings kind of up. Is what that does. So it's really kind of fun. I wanted to make sure you knew that. So these are add-on options. They're not needed to make the kit because you've already got these labels pre-cut in little dies for you. So you don't need to have this in order to complete the kit. The kit is self-contained. This is just an extra add-on that you can add if you like to, and you can let me know if that's something you're interested in. I know that shipping can be a pricey thing, so if you don't want to add these dies on by themselves, because the dies are only $12, but then shipping, the minimum shipping is $7.95, so you're paying, you know, almost more than half just for shipping again. So what I can do is I can add these to one of my orders. When I get orders constantly for different customers and things, and for myself, I can add these to one of my orders and grab one for you as well. So let me know if you want that. If you did not get this kit and you're kicking yourself, because it really is a nice one and it really is different. It's kind of got these more masculine feel to it. I mean, you can use it for anybody. It's really pretty, but it does have that feel, which is rare, I have to say. Usually everything's florally and flowery. This is a really nice one to have. This is a great kit for your collection. So if you did not get this and you wish you did, I always order extra. They go fast, so I don't necessarily have an extra for you, but you can catch me quickly, I might. And if you never want to miss one again, subscribe, and I'll put a link in my video description, and then you can subscribe to Paper Pumpkin and never miss a kit. If you look through my past unboxing, you'll see past kits are really, really beautiful, so you don't want to miss out. And next month is kind of fruit themed. You know, it's got cherries and peaches and kind of more bright colors. It kind of matches the new in colors that just came out, that peach pie and pretty in pink and petunia pop. It's got those colors in it, so it's really bright, completely different than this one. I love how they're so different each month going forward. So let me know if you want to subscribe, if you have a question about how to do that or ways to do that, or just go follow the link that I put in the video description if you missed this one, because now it's too late to get this one. Stampin' Up! Sometimes offers additional kits. If they still have some left over, they'll put them in the online store. You do have to be a subscriber to buy past kits. So again, you want to subscribe. You can get past kits, you can get refills if they're available. Take a look at the store and see some of those past kits. I just bought another past kit for myself that was really beautiful. It had dandelions and it was gorgeous, and I bought that for myself even though I had one because I just really wanted more. So you never know what you're going to see. Look at the online, look at the dies available, and contact me with any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.